Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 5 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we started doing the kitchen, and before we stop, we changed from electric to gas. And then now we're just need to select that. I don't want the show label, so I'm going to turn that off. And if we check our section, as you can see, we have our cabinet, base cabinet, and then we also have our range here. We have the case right there, and then we just need to add in the door here, and then our top cabinet. So now we're going to continue working on this. Go to architecture, click model in place, and then go to generic model. Press OK, and then after that, click on extrusion, and then pick a plane. We're going to select this plane, and then after that, we're going to add a rectangle, and here we just need to change the material. We're going to duplicate this. This will be paint number 4. After that, press OK, and then select here. This is just the top. For this, it's because I want some lights. I want to add some lights at the top right here. So here, I'm going to press extrude, and then just move this one all the way like that. Go back to section again, and pull it up a little bit. And I'm planning to put in something there at the bottom, at the face here, like maybe a linear light in the future. So after that, go back to section. I'm happy with this. Create another one. This will be extrusion. Pick a plane. This will be the wall again, and this will be the case for the top cabinet. And I'm just assuming the height right here around 850. It's because we gave a little bit here. Let's make it 900. And then here you can click finish, change this paint to a different paint. So I'm just gonna duplicate that. This will be 5. Click finish, apply, and then OK. And then here, let's change this extrusion end. I want it to be 450. So let's look at it on the first view. And then from here, I think this one is good, 450. From the top view, around 400 to 450 is good. But at the same time here, you need to extrude it more. Because it's going to be useless if this thing is not extruded enough. So I'm just going to give it like that a bit. Click on finish. And we have everything looking like good. Um, let's just add in. So go to section again. This will be a different one because we need to add in the door. So we need to add separate from the base and the top case. So extrusion, pick a plane and select this plane right about there. Select this rectangle. The depth should be 25 only. And here I want to offset this to 10. So select it there, spacebar, and select it right there. Here I want to create some buffer. And then I just want to add in another offset of 10. Spacebar, and then select it at this one. If we see it in 3D, that will look fine. But now we need to add some separation here. I'm going to select this one for the midpoint. And then from that midpoint, now we need to offset this to 5. Right there, and then the other side. And then now we could just delete this. Select here, copy, select it to the midpoint, and then just add it right about there. I'm just assuming that this is the midpoint right here. And then now we could just create on the other side. After that, SL, this is important. We need to add those and we need to trim it afterwards. And then TR, trim and extend. And then at the bottom, we need to do the same thing. So now that's good. We just need to click finish and then finish again. Let's look at it at 3D and see what will come up. So now I like the look of that. And then at the same thing, we need to add the one at the base. So section again, click architecture, model in place, and then here, generic model. Select extrusion, pick a plane, which is this face, and then here, select here, click here, change the paint again, so duplicate this. I like changing or making different or duplicating materials like this so that I could change different materials on Twinmotion. So the depth is perfect, 25. Select this one. I want to offset this to 10 only. So I'm going to add it from here, spacebar, so that it's from the inside, and then here as well, and then from the inside. This one, I'm just going to divide it by 2. So I'm going to select it and add it like that, midpoint, and then click this one, offset it to 5, select it here and there, here and there, delete the middle line, and then delete the middle line here, SL, so add the split element, and then TR, trim and extend. After that, click on finish, and then finish again. Let's look at it at 3D to check everything. So now everything is good. I'm gonna load in a handle. I created this one. I'm also going to add it, so you'll be able to load those ones on the second link. So you can type in CM or just click on component. I already loaded those. It will attach to any of the faces. So I'm going to add it there. And then here, I'm going to add it on the face. The reason that I'm just adding one, they have different face. So extrusion part. And then you just need to go to section. And then here, what we have there is I'm basically moving it, and I'm going to get the midpoint right here. And then from there, I'm going to select that and then copy and then grab it from the corner so that everything is same. I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna put it right there first, select it, get it from the midpoint. If it's not showing from the midpoint, assume that this is the midpoint, and then here select that, copy, and then grab it from the corner there into the corner here. So you have the same one. And then now here, if you select, this is a metal, so you can change that as well. So that's looking good. I'm happy with the way it looked. I wish I created a drawer right here. Maybe it's not too late. Yeah, we still have enough time, so we could just edit this one, edit in place, select that, edit extrusion, and then here we could add in some drawers. Offset this to 10. Going down, and then we just need to copy this, grab it there, and assume like that. Grab it, pull it up like so. And then here as well, I want to copy that. And then from the corner there and corner there, we could just extend it later on. So now SL, split here, split here, split right here, and then there. Here, then now SL, sorry, TR, trim and extend. Now we created our drawers. And then here as well. And then I'm good with this. Click on finish and then finish. And then here, select that, space bar, and then just quickly add it in the middle. And then here, CO, copy it from that corner to this corner and then to that corner. Same thing here, space bar, and then drag it. Assume that this is the midpoint. Move it a bit like that. Select that, CO, and then grab it from the corner. And then now it looks like that. A much better looking kitchen. And then now I want to concentrate onto our island. So go back to first floor. Here we could just move it on this side. And now what I'm planning to do is add in the sink here onto our island. So go to insert, load family, and then we could add in, so go back to the main, and then here go to plumbing, architecture, fixtures, sink, and then we have kitchen island, sink, and then we have double here as well. So depending on what you want, I want to try this one, or this one is good enough. CM, add it right about here in the midpoint. Also right here, we could add in, so I'm gonna click on load, go back, and then I just notice specialty equipment, domestic, I'm just checking onto our high end. We have the hood on the wall, so let's add that one as well. So click on open, CM, and then let's add this one right here to this wall. I don't want the text again, so uncheck this one, and then I want to see or to move it, MV, move it right there. I want to see, and then let's go to our section, which I need to move this one, that again, section view, you just need to move it all the way to the top. We can have it just like that, and it's not showing at the back anyway. but it will look nicer. As you can see, we have our hood there. We can make it as discreet as well. You can pull it up more. And then on the next video, I'm planning to finish up by adding the kitchen island and some furnitures right here. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.